Why does your scanner show the P20BB engine code? What does it mean? P20BB is a diagnostic trouble code for reductant heater, A control circuit low. The P20BB engine code for indicate vehicle's engine computer has detected abnormally low voltage in the electrical circuit that controls the heater for the diesel exhaust fluid DEF tank. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty DEF tank heater. Short to ground in the control wiring. Open or high-resistance circuit. Power or ground faults. Reductant control module driver failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, BMW, Chevrolet, Jeep, and Honda. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.